Hey guys, this is Eddie from E11 World. Today I have a special unboxing for you guys. This is something I haven't really done before. So I have a box here from Amazon, which I received recently from a company called Apipema. I'm not sure how to say that. It's AP. Anyway, it'll have the description there, the name and everything. And they have a sub brand called XFasten, and or Fasten. So this is the reason I am doing this is just because the customer service was so good for me. I ordered a gaffer tape only, and for those who don't know, it's basically like duct tape, except it doesn't leave any sticky things. So the problem was with the first one that I actually got one that seemed to have just gone bad or something. And when I talked to them during our conversations in the email, they thought from their investigation that maybe during shipping it got too hot and the moisture kind of affected this gaffer tape somehow. So they offered me another one for free, and they gave me a duct tape on top of that for free. I thought that was a real nice gesture, and I told them about my YouTube channel, and I said, hey, I do reviews and I'd be glad to review some of your products. And this is after I tested it and after I thought it was really good the second time. And they sent me this whole box. So I'm very proud to actually get something like this. This is actually one of my first, I wouldn't say sponsored because they didn't really pay me to do it, even though this stuff is kind of like worth $160. But it's not really paid because they didn't tell me, hey, do this, mention our name. I'm actually doing this on my own. And I don't know if in the future I'll be doing anything sponsored, but for now, I try to always keep my stuff honest reviews. I don't like to, get paid for saying something. Oh yeah, this is a good product. I don't know. Maybe if I get rich out of it, But no, most of the time, and so far, everything I've done is an honest review or opinion. Anyways, so I've opened the box just to actually confirm that there is all the stuff they mentioned in here. I'm gonna put it down so I can kind of pull stuff out one by one. All right. So I'll have a list in the description for all the stuff they sent me. I think about 10 items or something like that, maybe more or less. I'm not gonna tell you guys how good these products are because I haven't tested anything like so far here, but some of them you can probably tell how they are, and you can read the reviews. I'm sure I think there is actual reviews that are fake, even on Amazon and any site. Paid reviews, whatever, you get your family and friends to review products that you sell. But for a company like this, I don't think that's, I think all the reviews are real. And most of the ones that they sent, I've looked at the ratings and they're above 3-star. So for me, this company is a 5-star, the company itself, just because they went above and beyond to actually make a customer happy. And this is the kind of stuff I think that will make any company succeed in what they do, because customer service is huge, especially for an online company to do this. Anyways, enough about that. I'll get to the products. So yeah, a lot of these things have also like a 25% off. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, so XFasten is the brand, the sub-brand for this company, and they manufacture all these products, and they're a retailer as well. So this is masking tape. There is 6 of them in here, 3/4, 60 yards. Yeah, pack of 6. Ideal for labeling, arts and crafts, writable surface, and I'll show pictures for every item here, just so you kind of get a closer look. So that's one. I'll just put it. Maybe put it here. All right. So 2 of this hook and loop, white with adhesive. And this is for it's heat and moisture resistant, strong adhesion. It's nice to have something like this. I guess I can tape my tape one side of it to the remote control, and then the other side somewhere on the side of my couch or whatever, and that way I can just keep that there and it'll stick. Nice to have, actually. And you know what, a lot of these I was surprised because a lot of these are stuff I've been wanting to buy anyways. And one of them I actually did buy, I think, a while ago. I used it for my custom LED sign, which I've made, and it's I don't think you can see it here. It's for my DJ sign that I made a while ago, and pictures I'll show here. Yeah, it looked really good, and I just wanted to make some upgrades to it, and I used some of their products before. I guess I know all this stuff. And yeah, so this is white gaffer tape. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention the other ones I got were black. Yeah, so it says to go to xfasten.com/promotions and get 25% off. So this is everyone. I love this stuff. This is kind of like, you know, duct tape on steroids in a way, except it doesn't leave a mess. So I love it. So 3 things here. And this is double-sided tape. There's 3 of them here, pack of 3, clear. I like this, 1 inch. And it's clear. Very nice to have. I might actually review these in the future when I'm doing an actual product, like something that's custom made, LED. I usually try to do LED stuff, like I've done my LED ring light and a few things like the LED sign. So a lot of that stuff. And badges. Yeah, badges holders. A whole bunch. I'm not sure how many, but a whole bunch. I don't know if I will use these, but I can always give it to my company. They always go on stuff like events and whatever where they promote their own things, and you know, this can be useful. I can actually wear it when I'm reviewing products. Why not have my name on it and a you know, name tag or something. Anyway, clear and glossy finish, good stuff. Yeah, somehow this kind of probably gotten loose, and there's 5 of these. Mounting tape, acrylic tape, 1 inch by 60 inches. And again, all of them have the 25%. It's just really, you know, saying to go to that link, which I'll have in the description below. So 5 of these guys, and actually this will come in handy very well. I like to mount a lot of things, and I hate, you know, like putting screws or whatever into my wall, leaving nails or stuff like that. What you see behind me, I don't know if you can tell, they have some nails, but actually over here is just one of those foam things, and I have this stuff stuck to it because I don't want to, you know, put any tape or actually like tape it to the wall. But with pictures, whatever, this kind of stuff goes nice because, you know, double-sided. I don't know if it's you know, strong adhesion, easy to install. Yeah, it doesn't say you can actually, you know, peel it without a mess, but I think there's one of these here anyway. And for indoor and outdoor use, high weight. Oh yeah, so you can actually, like, for example, hold your, I don't know, some equipment or something in the kitchen for this, or even tools in the garage. Okay, the next thing, electrical tape. Always handy, of course. There is 6 of them here. I love these things, and one thing I do hate about keeping this stuff in the garage is that the moisture, the heat in the summer kind of just makes these annoying to use because they get sticky to your fingers and whatnot. So I don't know about these ones. It says 176 degrees Fahrenheit temperature capacity. Hopefully they don't do that. This is red and white. What's it called? Let me see. Reflective tape. Okay, yeah, that's what it was. Actually, I saw some of these pictures already when I was looking at the list of stuff they sent me. So reflective tape, very nice if you have an emergency at night and you got this in the back of your trunk, for example. You know, tape it around your car or just something in there so that people know, hey, there's something here. You can actually tape this to your jacket if you have, let's say, a non-reflective jacket and you're biking at night. This gives you, or even around your bike. There you go. It's done. Useful. Oh, this is kind of heavy. Nice. Magnetic tape. Yes. This is like jackpot. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I've been wanting to get like just magnets and put my business cards onto like whatever, my laptop, a whole bunch of things. This is nice and heavy. This is like heavier than my phone actually. Like I would say, I don't know, maybe 9 times my phone weight or even more. Beautiful. 3 of them, half an inch by 10 feet. Pack of 3. I love it. Heat and moisture resistant, long lasting magnets, strong in magnetic flux, strong adhesion, easy to install, residue free. Beautiful. I love that part. I love everything that sticks and just doesn't leave a mess. So, you guys, this is so nice. I can't believe. Actually, this is probably one of the most useful ones aside from gaffer tape for me, for my own personal uses. It'll come in handy. Okay, the next one, dry erase tape. Whoa. Surface finish safe and smudge free, easy to stick, removable. Actually, this is another bingo. Yes. Okay, somehow it's not like exactly circular. You can see it's like. But yeah, this is good stuff, man. If I don't have like a dry erase board, which I do anyway, but this can make any surface dry erase. So I can have this, for example, in the side of my wall in the kitchen, and have my kids just go at it, write whatever they want, and I can just remove this stuff. For example, if I have guests over and I don't want them to see any of that mess, I can just remove that stuff after. But it's really nice. I can actually have any surface be like, and it's removable. Man, again, I love this stuff. White duct tape, important. Sometimes I like to have my black duct tape, for example, around my stand when I'm DJing, and that stuff just kind of hides like any scratches or whatever. But white duct tape is great for other things too. Like, for example, I have my kid right now, and she just goes into, everywhere. She wants to open all the drawers and whatever. So I've just, put white duct tape, which I have anyway, but nice to have extras, around my heaters and stuff, so that she doesn't go in and put her hand in there, because it's dangerous, and I don't use them now because summer's starting. So this goes nice because it doesn't show and it doesn't stick. But I guess I can always use the gaffer tape because it won't leave any residue, or it doesn't stick at least. Outdoor and indoor repair use, high bonding strength, multi-purpose, moisture resistant. Okay, so one more here. Double-sided tape. This is very nice. 1/4 inch, 20 yards, back of 8. Strong adhesion, easy to install, residue free. Bonus. Easy to tear. It's nice to have 8 of them also because they're so, thin. I can use this for tons of stuff. You know what? Another one. And another heavy thing. Thermal laminating pouches. Okay, so you can see they look like papers. You know what? Let me open this actually. It's like film, right? And you put whatever you have, I guess double on 2 of them probably, and you can laminate the stuff. So let me read the description. Clean and even application compatible, all thermal laminators. I guess I have to have a laminator for this. I'm not sure. Distributes heat evenly, high visibility, low thermal requirement, professional grade, smudges and fingerprint free, weatherproof, yellowing resistant. Okay, that's nice. So it doesn't get like sticky. Oh, actually, you know what? I think each one of it is on its own. Now that I see this properly. So on the edge here, I don't know if you can see it, it's very, yeah. I don't know if you can peel this and stick something in the middle of it, but either way, there's 100 of them. I think that's how you would use it. I've never used this before, by the way. A lighter one. Okay, and this is cushion foam sheets. Conformable to objects, delicate surfaces, designed for, I don't even need to read this stuff. Basically, this is the kind of stuff you put between your plates and, just to kind of make sure they don't break. If you have, especially like china and valuable plates that in between, so you only stack them, they don't, you get the point. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items, man. Thank you guys. Apipema, sorry, I keep saying Apipema. Apipema, P-E-M-A, I think. Or XFasten. And yeah, again, thank you guys for sending this stuff. Really, really great. And again, you know what? It's the customer service that got to me. I don't even care about this stuff. I mean, obviously, I love free things. Who doesn't? But it's when you go out of your way to make a customer happy, just sending me that other tape and the duct tape for free, that you won me over. I don't care about any of this stuff. This is just an extra, and this is the reason I'm doing this whole review and unboxing, I guess. I want to make sure that these actually are good and put my review into it. And right now, I'm not using anything else except for my custom LED sign, which I've already finished, but I made some modification to it, and I used some of their products prior to this. You won me over. From now on, really, I think anything aside from the price, which I think is no problem because they give you 25% anyway, most likely they'll beat any price. And here in Canada, generally, we have things that are more expensive. So if you go to Amazon.ca, it's more expensive than .com. Don't even think about shipping. Sometimes it's just the item itself. Even the same company who sells stuff for Canada and .com, the .com is always cheaper. I'm not sure why, for all the reasons, taxes, whatever it is. Price is one reason, but other than that, customer service, if I ever need this stuff, for sure, 100%, you won me over anytime, every time. I'll be telling all my friends, everyone I know, all the people who watch my stuff on YouTube, you know what? Go with these guys. Give them a shout. I don't know if you do this for every customer, but if you do, kudos. Thank you guys. And I think this is the end of the review. If you guys like this, thumbs up, and please subscribe if you haven't done so already. There's going to be more reviews coming in the future. I'm trying to get in the rhythm of doing more things, hopefully once a week. So anyways, end of the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.